Hello. In this video we will learn about how to extend the service life of hydraulic hoses. This video is a part of hydraulic troubleshooting series. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video. Share this video with your friends, colleagues. Now, let us start today's topic. How to extend the service life of hydraulic hoses. A hydraulic hose is specifically designed to convey hydraulic fluid to hydraulic components, valves, actuators, and tools. It is typically flexible, often reinforced, and usually constructed with several layers of reinforcement since hydraulic systems frequently operate at high or very high pressures. Types of hydraulic hose. 5 types of hydraulic hoses. While there are more types and applications of hoses, the 5 listed here are a cross-section of specific components, uses, and capabilities. SAE Standard Hose. SAE 100R1 is a high-pressure hose used with petroleum or water-based fluids designed to power general industrial applications. The hose is single steel, wire-braided tubing that will operate in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Standard high-pressure hose. These hoses are flexible and used to transport mineral and hydraulic oils and water oil emulsions. They are in demand for the mining and oil industries, construction, and agriculture. Low-pressure hose. Textile braided and highly flexible. These hoses are employed in lighter applications such as return lines, anti-static delivery lines, and air or lube lines. Low-pressure lines are not suitable for braking or other safety-related applications. Steel wire-braided hose, either single or double wire-braided and extra durable. These hoses are used to transport fluids under extreme pressures, temperatures, and even a vacuum. These hoses are used in oil fields, mining, and heavy industrial applications. Thermoplastic hydraulic hose. Useful for heavy construction, hydraulic lift equipment, and lubrication lines. The thermoplastic hoses are resistant to abrasion and can operate at very low temperatures. Both the inner and outer layers consist of a thermoplastic material while the middle layer reinforces with a synthetic fiber mesh. Reasons for hose damage. 1. Tube erosion. Hydraulic hose tube erosion often causes external leakage. Tube erosion is usually caused by a concentrated high-velocity stream of fluid or by small particles in the fluid. In order to avoid tube erosion, use nomogram from our website hydrauliclust.com to determine the proper hose size based on the recommended maximum velocities. Also, be sure that the hose assembly is not bent too tight for flow and that the fluid medium is not too abrasive for the inner tube of the hose. It is important to follow the maximum bend radius noted in the engineering specifications for each hose, as well as diameter, during the assembly process. 2. Fluid compatibility. System contamination and external leakage can be a direct result of fluid compatibility issues. Incompatible fluids will cause the inner tube of the hose assembly to deteriorate, swell, and delaminate. The inner tube can also partially wash out in some cases. The hose you order must be compatible with the fluid being conveyed. Verify that the fluid is not only compatible with the inner tube, but also the outer cover, fittings, and even O-rings. 3. Minimum bend radius. Hose assemblies can fail relatively quickly if the minimum bend radius is not met. To prevent minimum bend radius hose failures, double-check the recommended bend radius. Replace hose assemblies and change routing, length, or fittings to route the hose within the published minimum bend radius if they do not comply. 4. Insertion depth. When a hose assembly is not properly assembled, it can create very dangerous situations. Fittings need to be pushed on completely to meet the recommended insertion depth. If the hose insertion depth is not met, fittings can blow off, leaving a failed hose assembly. The last grip in the fitting shell is essential to the holding strength. 5. Improper assembly. Contamination can cause several problems for a hydraulic hose assembly. When cutting a hose, metal particles and debris can settle inside the hose if not properly flushed. This abrasive debris left in the hose will contaminate the hydraulic system. It can also cause small fractures to develop on the inner tube of the hose assembly, resulting in leakage. To prevent hose failures from contamination, the hose must be properly cleaned before inserting the fittings. 6. Heat-aged. Hose failure can occur from overheating the hose assembly. Overheating will cause the hose to become very stiff. The inner tube will harden and begin to crack because the plasticizers in the elastomer will break down or harden under high temperatures. In some cases, the cover may show signs of being dried out. The hose assembly may remain in its installed shape after being removed from the application, and if flexed, audible cracking can be heard. In order to prevent overheated hydraulic hose assemblies, confirm hoses are rated for the temperatures required by your application. Also, reduce ambient temperatures or use heat guards and shields to protect the hose from nearby high temperature areas. 7. Abrasion. Hydraulic hoses are put through rigorous applications every day, which eventually take their toll. If not inspected on a regular basis, abrasion can cause a hose assembly to burst and leak. Excessive rubbing of the hose against an external object or even another hose can wear away the cover and eventually the reinforcement layers. The cover is meant to protect the hose, so signs of damage to the cover or reinforcement layers should warn you that something is wrong. 8. Twisting hose during installation or service. Twisting a hose rather than naturally bending the hose will reduce life. It is estimated a 7% twist when installing a hose in a permanent application can reduce hose life by 90%. 9. Improper fittings. One fitting doesn't fit all hoses. When selecting fittings for your hose system, either crimped or reusable type should be decided before installation. Tips to extend service life of hose. Hydraulic hose preventative maintenance for hose covers. During a hose inspection, the first thing a technician looks for is damaged hose covers. That could mean that the hose cover is cracked, cut, abraded, or split. Damage might also take the form of blisters, color changes, or hard spots. In all of these cases, a hose assembly replacement is needed immediately. It is also important to look for what could be causing the damage, such as a hose being run too close to a heat source or rubbing against a hard metal object during service. This might involve rerouting the hoses or use of a protective shield to prevent the same issue from arising again. Hydraulic hose preventative maintenance for hose connectors. Hose connectors are also inspected carefully during preventative maintenance. Cracks, corrosion, and other damage to the connectors will inevitably lead to leaks, and the longer these issues are neglected, the more intensive the damage and repairs become. When hoses have been stretched too tight, they may burst at the fitting, but a careful inspection can catch that problem before it happens. Hydraulic hose preventative maintenance for hose leaks. A good hose inspection will always involve checking for leaks in the hose itself as well as at connectors and couplings. Leaks can often be identified by looking for puddles, dirty areas on the hoses or equipment, and low fluid levels. Professionals will check for leaks under pressure using a piece of cardboard instead of their hand for safety. If the leak is a simple drip leak, a rag is used to clean the immediate area of the leak to better locate its actual source. Note that leaks can also show up as bubbles containing fluid that appear on the cover of the hose, which will require immediate replacement. Finally, leaks can lead to hoses bursting. Many of these leaks involve issues that go deeper than merely replacing a hose, such as the use of a hose material that is not compatible with the fluid or not correctly rated for the system pressure. A skilled technician can track down the exact cause and perform repairs and replacements to minimize the chances of it happening again. Maintenance for hose routing. When inspecting hoses, technicians will also check hose routing for potential problems, which may include 1. Twisted hoses, 2. tight bends. 3. Kinks. 4. Hoses rubbing against metal parts or against each other. 5. Not enough slack in the hoses. 6. Hoses routed too close to high temperature areas. These can potentially lead to catastrophic system failure and need to be rerouted and replaced immediately. That's all we have for this video. I hope this video will help you in troubleshooting your hydraulic systems. For more such videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel. To continue your learnings on hydraulics, visit hydrauliclust.com. Link is in description. Good day.